Separate the peel from the pith. If not separated, pith might make your orange peel candy bitter. Do this repeatedly on every orange peel you have. Be careful not to hurt yourself. Start slicing them vertically. Continue doing it. Boil 5 to 6 cups of water. Add your sliced orange peels to the boiling water. Add sugar blocks. Keep stirring. After 15 minutes, let them dry on a drying rack. Excuse the avocados